can see it push, and we can sense the pull. A force mysterious, it's quick and never. The speed at which they travel, they're constant near and far. Somehow it's.
I'm going out with my father because my father is now in Jakarta. I think today we're gonna have fun. Yeah, I just have some ramen or something. I'm gonna show you how I get ready. It's going to be like get ready with me or something, but I'm so bad at talking, so bear with me everyone. After wash my face, I always put some toner. I always switch my toner, depends on my skin condition. Today I'm going to use this rose water by Happel. Happel? Is that how you pronounce it? Because I'm a type of person who don't like put moisturizer, even though it's very important. What I do is I put 2 different toner so it can hydrate my skin as well as moisturizer. For the second toner, I use Simple Soothing Facial Toner. This is my favorite toner ever. Ini udah kayak botol ke 5, ke 6. And then I'm gonna leave it for maybe 5 minutes while I'm listening to music. Ini salah satu caraku supaya pori-porinya tuh kelihatan kayak lebih ketutup. Jadi daripada pakai primer yang ada silikonnya kayak gitu, I prefer to do this so it can also like hydrate your skin at the same time. The next thing is I'm going to apply some ampoule. So recently I've been loving this ampoule. This is the Madagascar Centella. I'm gonna put some on my hand. Next thing is serum. I use this Elsie Skin Radiant Skin Serum. So I'm gonna put my hand and apply it like I apply my ampoule. And then I'm going to apply a primer. So this is actually some sort of like BB cream, but it has more sheer coverage, which I really like. So I'm gonna use this as a... oh wait, I forgot some sunscreen. So I'm going to use this. On the nose, on the forehead. I continue with the Pixi Make It Glow primer. You can see that my face is brighter than before, but it's still very not heavy at all. And then I'm going to apply some concealer, just very little. You'll see the difference, right? And then I'm going to set everything with a Fit Me matte. And I'm gonna apply, and I'm going to fill my eyebrow with brow mascara. I'm going to use this PGC Soft Coral palette. my favorite ever. First, I'm going to apply this color, this soft brown color. And then a little bit of this peach color over here. And then I'm going to line my upper lash line with this brown color. I'm gonna apply some eyeliner. And then I'm gonna draw a little wing. And I'm gonna put some shimmering splendid. Alright, I'm gonna finish the other side of my eye off camera. And now time for blush. And then bronzer. So not bronzing, but just contouring my nose. And then mascara. Do not forget mascara. Okay, we're ready. I'm gonna get change. A quick OOTD. Alright, the last thing I almost forgot. Setting spray. Jadi kita mau pakai lipstick dulu. Ih, bagus banget nih buat lo. Jalan, coba jalan.
Ini untuk apa?
Udah mau habis.
Cuman kalau nggak ada yang ini ya, mau daun kecil. Ini kita mau ngikutin yang lamanya segitu panjang itu. Kan untuk laci dua pegangan ini, pegangan bawah.